Number 33, write the empirical formulas for the following compounds. Then we only got A and B here, which is a shocker. Usually we have like A through G. So I'm just going to put A and B over here. All right. So the easiest way to find out the empirical formula, which is, remember, the most simplified formula, you always have to get it from your molecular formula, right? And these formulas that they gave you, A and B, these are molecular formulas. So the first thing I would do is I would get it out of this kind of drawing, and this is organic chemistry, by the way. These drawings right here, Lewis structures, but we'll do those when we get there. So, but anyway, first things first, you got to get into a molecular formula. So let's just categorize. So in A, I'll write this out just to make it a little bigger. So I have H, C, C, O, and H. There's a double bonded O up top here. There's an H, and then an H down here. Okay. So how many carbons do we have? 1, 2. So we have C2. How many hydrogens are there? Now, it doesn't matter what element you put first. Let's do the hydrogens next. So how many total hydrogens are in compound A? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's 4 hydrogens here. So C2H4. And then, how many oxygens? 1, 2. This would be O2. No other elements here. You don't really worry about the double bonds or the single bonds. You just care about what the elements are. So this compound is C2H4O2. This is acetic acid, for all you guys that are wondering. This is used in vinegar. So pretty common. But now you look at those subscripts. Between the 2 carbons, the 4 hydrogens, and the 2 oxygens, is there a number that you can divide by all of them to get a simpler number? Well, yeah, between a 2, 4, and a 2, I could divide each one by 2. They're all even, so you could always divide by 2. And your new empirical formula, so what I'm going to say is this is the MF. This was the molecular formula that they gave you. So the empirical formula would be C1, but we don't have to write the 1. It's implied. H2O. Box that answer off. That is your empirical formula. So that would be the empirical formula for letter A, and that one is done. Now for the next one. I'm just going to write it over here. HCCO. CC. There's an H over here. Gotta love these organic compounds. We got a double bonded O here. Okay. So let's do carbon, then hydrogen, then oxygen, just like we did before. So how many carbons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're starting off with our molecular formula. So I have C4. How many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So H8. And then how many oxygens? 1, 2. So O2. That would be your molecular formula. Now, we just have to look at the subscripts. Between a 4, an 8, and a 2, can I divide these numbers by the same number to bring it down? Between a 4, 8, and a 2. Oh yeah, we could divide each one by 2. They're all even, so you could always divide all even numbers by 2. And what do you get? I'll put this one at the top. Actually, I'll put it over here. We got room. This would be C2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. H4, 1, but we don't have to put the 1. And there you go. This is the empirical formula for the second one. So there you go, guys. This one was easy peasy. If you want more practice, go back to number 31, 32. I think even some in the 20s are dealing with molecular formulas and empirical formulas. But this one was quick and easy. I hope this was understandable for you. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'll see you guys all in the next question. Have a great day.